Okay, so today I'm going to show you just a model I've been making. It's pretty rudimentary and not that great looking, but it's a gun, just some sort of generic handgun, mostly so I can just show you what I've been trying to do here. I'll show you some features that you can use in Blender as well. So we'll start off with just showing you something kind of cool. I made the slide so that later on I can animate it and make it come back. But I haven't animated it yet. I have to have bones and then rig it, which I haven't done yet, but you can kind of get an idea of what it would look like, the barrel and everything. One thing I wanted to show you was when you hit F12, it renders your object. Then you hit escape to get out of that. But you're looking through your camera. So wherever this camera is, that's what it's going to see. That's what it'll render. So if we hit 0 on the number pad, it takes us to we're looking through our camera. And right now we can, if we hit G and we move the mouse up or down, we can, or left or right, we can change that view. If you hit G and then click them, and then click the mouse wheel, it'll zoom in and out by moving the mouse up and down. So you click the wheel and then you move the mouse up and down. You don't have to hold the wheel, just click it. So there's that. Oops, okay. So I want to show you that. And then lighting. Over here we have a hemisphere light, I guess it'd be called. And basically, if you just want to light the area without direction, just kind of like an overall light, I usually use the hemisphere lighting. I don't know if that's the best way to do it or not, but that's what I've been using and it's been working. If we would change that to, say, a sun or some sort of one of the other lamps, which over here, right here, we're already in it. When you click on, if you're on that and you click on the lamp, use your options up here, but if you click on this one specifically and you go down to here, you have an area, the hemi, which is just everything, a spot, sun or point, and I think sun and hemi are similar, but hemisphere I think just kind of really lights everything basically the same, no matter what angle. I think the sun, you'll still get shadows on opposite sides. So if we would put if we had the sun, if we had a sun lamp, and we put our camera over here and we rendered this would be shadowed over here on the gun. So also I added some sights to this. You can see them. So nothing too special, just wanted to kind of render something that I can rig and animate and put into the UDK just for fun. So anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Not much to really show you other than my gun. So, alright.